Hey guys, we're here with another tutorial for Blender. Today we're gonna do something simple. We're gonna create a SCIFI floor. So let's grab the plane and solidify this, and if you hold control you can snap it, and then let's shift D and snap it here with control, and let's actually let's bisect it, like this, and move it back here and mirror it across this thing, and we're done. Now, so let's go to Boxcutter and let's grab a square, and this is way too big, so let's make it smaller to maybe 0.1. That's bad, that's even too big. So let's make it 0.01. How small is this? That's a bit too small. There we go, that's perfect. So with control, let's draw this one. B for bevel. Bevel this a bit and slice it. Same here. Cut it. Bevel this a bit and slice it. Perfect. Select all and we can just apply everything. So, alright, now let's see. So first what we're gonna do is select these two and symmetrize them across here, so we got this line. It's gonna help us with design, and let's now switch to circle and draw one in here, drop it in just a little bit, and grab the top part, bevel this a bit, and mirror to the other side. Come on. There we go, and then we're gonna grab the middle part and box, and hold control, switch to alt, and bevel it, and V twice, scroll your mouse, move outside R, control and scroll, and let's just cut it a little bit, not too much, a bit. Is this enough? Maybe a little bit more. There we go. Grab this one and scale it, so on Y and a little bit on X. Is this bevel enough though? That's the question. We see that. That would be better, right? So let's sharpen this. We're gonna deal with it in here, so let's apply weighted normals, and let's see this disaster. So these lines are awful, right? So we need to fix them. Let's run a edge here and another one in here. Right, so what we can do, one more edge here, we can remove these ones now. Come on, Blender. Right, let's actually symmetrize this. And combine these two, because that's awful. And remove, oh, come on. Seriously now. Fine, I'm gonna do it with the knife. Did it go through? Yeah, it did. So we can remove all this junk now, right? We should be able to remove all these. These should be linked differently, so something like this maybe. This is all these hard angles, like really steep ones. They're gonna play havoc with your bevels, so you don't want to do that. Perfect. Then we can remove this one. All right. So we're looking. The bevel is a little bit too crazy. You can see it's hotlining itself, right? So let's make it a little bit steeper like that. And we could actually lift them a little bit up. So GZ and move them a little bit up. That will do. It's fine. So let's grab this one and insert it and bring it up and scale it. Whoops. I mean, chamfer it, that's what I meant. And let's actually cut a circle in here and change it to hexagon, or yeah, this one will do too. It's okay, it's fine. So extrude it down a little bit, and scrub it to life, and scale this face, peachy. So this one is done more or less. Now we need this mirror here. So switch to mirror, and let's grab Angon. Let's just drop something in here. It's gonna be more or less interesting. Let's turn on the Angon snapping, it's better. Less headache. And I think I'm gonna drop a bevel in here too. And in fact, I'm going to go with solidify. So, come on. Solidify it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Sharpen it, and then... Oh yes, I need some notches in here too, because it's a bit boring, so let's just cut these two. You don't want to do it, you bastard. Let's mirror this like this. Will this actually work? You know what, let's apply everything first, okay? Not this one. Smart apply, and then let's mirror to the other side. And create these cuts, and also to this side as well. Done. Now here. Could create little wedges in here as well, just for fun. So what we're gonna do is grab a box and line box, and make sure you're in object orientation, and let's draw a line like this and extrude it down and press W, and can enjoy our life. Did it cut it? I think it's mirrored. Okay, fine. It's cut it. Difference. No? Why is it mirrored from the other side? Wait a minute. Let's just I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Select this one to its own selection, and then we're gonna cut it. For real though. Didn't I select it? Okay, one more time. Smart apply. Can I do it now? There we go. And let's difference this. Perfect. And then let's just simply mirror it across. Good. And this will do. And then mirror this across to the other side. And this one across this one. Peachy. Now this one. Let's insert it. We need to apply this, right? So let's apply the modifiers. Let's grab this face, and let's apply scale. Let's chamfer this a little bit, and then we're going to drop this face up, P to its own selection, and then we're going to grab these. Okay, so then we're going to symmetrize it. Did I grab the correct corner? Yeah, I did. Okay. Symmetrize it, and now we can actually well, we're gonna remove this edge, and then we're going to run an edge across here. So few of those, and we need squares, right? Select these two and Control I. Go away, please, and subdivide it. Then Shift R. Alright, and alright, select these edges. Come on. And Control I, checker deselect, circle, make it smaller. That will do. Insert it, GZ, and we're done. And bevel it. Weighted normals, peachy. Now we got Z fighting, so we got this one. In fact, just this one. Whoa. This one. And we're going to insert it, and then we're going to extrude it, and we're going to scale it, not like this. Blender crushed. Fascinating. Control S, most recent, and save. There you go. It's power save for you guys. You really need this add-on, all I'm gonna say. So let's bevel this. Weighted normals. The bevel is way too big because it's hot lining. That will do. And now let's grab this one. Come on. So let's insert it. Let's extrude it and scale it just a little bit. It should be peachy. How are we looking? We're gonna sink it down because it's Z fighting, so GZ and sink it down. There you go. And that's your floor tile. So now we need to make it a bit more interesting because reasons. And that's easy. Just grab a you know, box and cut it. How are we looking? We're looking pretty good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna actually solidify it. So with this circle selected, expand your selection by 1. Come on, face +1. Control I and extrude it down. So you're gonna make it a bit thicker, you see? So now, did it work the way I want it? Shit, it didn't. Chihuahua. Okay, fine. Let's go with solidify. Solidify down. And the solidify needs to be above weighted normals and above bevel. There we go. Now it's working. So now let's grab this boolean. Not this one. Mod scroll. That's the one. And let's just simply wait. We need our origin to geometry. There we go. And then we need to grab this one and simply mirror this across everything. So that's that. In fact, you know what? We could move it a little bit deeper. So GX and move it a little bit deeper. Or Y. It's too deep. And what we could do, we could actually bevel these. It's gonna look better. Oh, chamfer. Is this this bevel is a wrong profile? So yeah, you need to press 1 to change profile of the bevel on this one. So there we go. Now it's proper bevel. So everything is beveled. No, these ones are not beveled, so we need to bevel them as well. Press 1, make it small, and then weighted normals, and then we're gonna select this and this one and Control C and copy modifiers. Ouch, not good. Let me see that. Solidify boolean. That's what I want. Before we do anything here, we need to apply these modifiers. So operations, smart apply, and then we need a bevel in here. Press 1, and then weighted normals, and then we can copy modifiers. Perfect. So we have identical bevel on both, right? Now let's see. Bevel here, bevel here. This one isn't beveled, so we need to bevel it as well. And everything is peachy. Now we need to simply mirror all these 3 across, right? So select all 3. Mirror across. Boom. And that's your tileable floor. Now we can texture it for fun. So let's... this one is a little bit sharp, isn't it? So what we're gonna do is select this and... yeah, before we do anything, let's actually symmetrize it. And we're going to remove this junk from the corners by pressing F. Because corner junk is not good. Now let's select edge and come on. Let's Control B this. and a bit of a chamfer could do us a little bit of good. So that's pretty cool. We're looking good. We're looking good. Now we need some, I don't know, something in here. So let's select both of them and simply cut through, and let's change it to solidify and bevel this. See how we're looking. And we're gonna simply mirror this across. Not symmetry, but mirror. This one and this one. There we go. So we got some kind of like a, you know, joints on the floor, which is pretty cool. Combining them two together. And I can array this, but you know, if you wanted to. It's the grid. I was like, what the hell is this line? Alright, so let's select everything and, you know, smart apply. So everything is mirrored. And now we can start applying materials to it. So Alt-M and the blank material and go here so we can see what the hell we're doing. And change it to something a little bit less crazy. Blank matte. Wow, that's nice. And let's see here. Well, that's not so nice. Let's go with a lottery. So just click Control and see what we're gonna get. I mean Shift. That's what I wanted. There you go. Work it out a bit. Make it darker and clear coat. So this could be the same as this one. And this could be the same as this one. And this could be something else. This one is a bit boring. I think it should be actually brighter. Let's see what we can do here. Make it a bit rougher. Yeah, that will do. It's pretty cool. You can add some more interest to it, like for example, you know, grab this rim around around here without these. Be careful what you're selecting. And we could add a bit of a chamfer here, right? So, you know, just a bit of a chamfer. There you go. To make a kind of like an opening for this plate to sink in, which is pretty cool. Could be a bit bigger as well, you know. So let's apply scale to it and then do it again. I don't think scale was changed, but because it's a default plate, right? I mean plane. That would be our SCIFI floor. Quick and easy, and you can tile it if you want to. This would be perfect for actually baking, you know, into a normal, because the tris count is quite high, right, because of the details. So, well, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the vid. That will be it for this one. As usual, there's a link to Boxcutter and Hardup's store of Master Xeon 1001 on Gumroad and Blender Market, and links to machine add-ons as well. So if you need them, go ahead and buy them. You're gonna help me as well. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.